Updating your payment information on Facebook is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Log into your account. Open Facebook and log into your account using your email and password. Step 2. Access settings. Click on the downward arrow in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. Step 3. Navigate to Payments. In the left-hand menu, find and click on Payments. This section will show you current payment methods and transaction history. Step 4. Update payment information. Click on Payment Methods. Here you can add a new payment method or edit existing ones. Follow the prompts to enter your new payment details. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your payment information, make sure to click Save to ensure your changes are applied. Once you have completed these steps, your payment information will be updated. Regularly check your settings to keep your account secure and up to date.